This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. I'm delighted to be here helping you with playing the guitar. In this video, we're going to continue to work on reading melodies written in tablature notation. These melodies are going to stay in the first 3 frets of the guitar and on the top 3 strings. It's going to be great. Now, this video does accompany the Tablature Book from my Method Book series. If you have that book, you're going to want to turn to pages 13 and 14. We're going to be jamming together on songs 8, 9, 10, and 11. Okay, so I've mentioned this in the last video, but it's a good idea to sort of warm up your hands before playing these melodies just by doing a little exercise that works all the fingers. Well, at least the first 3 fingers, because we're not using the 4th fret. We want to keep, as we're reading and playing these melodies, our index finger playing the notes that happen in the 1st fret, our middle finger for the notes that happen in the 2nd fret, and our ring finger for the notes that happen in the 3rd fret. We don't want to be using just 1 finger or 2 fingers sliding around. We want to learn to play positionally, where we've got our index, middle, ring, and pinky fingers working in specific frets sort of together as a team, and that prepares us for when we're playing anywhere along the fretboard and we've got to again get our fingers working together as a team to play positionally. So right now in open position or first position, we're going to be working on that by having our index finger in the 1st fret, middle in that 2nd, ring in that 3rd, and then when we get to using the pinky a few lessons down the road, we'll be using that pinky in the 4th fret. And of course, no fingers on the open strings. Those are a good idea to sort of keep your hand in the general vicinity of where we would be playing them. And it can also help to just kind of hold the fingers close to the strings but not on the strings as you're playing. A little exercise that we've done previously is where we go open, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, open, or the opposite direction, 3, 2, 1, open, 1, 2, 3. So it's a great idea to warm up using that exercise, doing that on each of the strings. We're just playing on strings 1, 2, and 3 right now. You could do it on all 6 strings, or just do it on strings 1, 2, and 3 because that's where we're playing right now. Now, as we jam together on these songs, they happen at 2 different tempos. It's you, me, and the band. So they'll happen first at a slower tempo, and then they'll happen at a faster tempo. So you want to try and play along, jam along. See if you can just play the melody, sort of like playing Guitar Hero. Play that melody as best you can. Use your ear and your instincts to play it. Try and play what you hear. Try and play it how it sounds, how I'm playing it. You want to try and play it along with me that way as we jam along with the band. If there's a part where you're tripping and you just can't play it at that tempo, you just want to pause and work that part over and over, starting nice and slow, getting it comfortable at a slow tempo, and then just build it up to the tempo that's happening with the jam along, and then play the melody. So if you just sort of flub over parts over and over, we don't actually get better at playing the guitar. So this is a great way to take advantage of this, is to jam along with me and hear what these sound like, but if there's a part that's a little tricky, just work that part over and over, actually practice that part, then go back to jamming along with me and the band on these tracks. Okay, it's going to be great. There'll be a little drum fill or a measure of kick drum that helps us get into these for any of the songs that have a pickup measure, like number 8, for example. We'll hear a bar of kick drum giving us the beat 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the drum fill will happen, and we actually come in right along with that drum fill at whatever beat that it's happening at. And you just need to pick those things up by ear, sort of following along with me. Although if you're familiar with reading rhythms, you can look at the standard music notation to have some help with the rhythm as well. Okay, it's going to be great. Let's go ahead and jam together. Okay, I hope you're having fun with this. As more videos roll out, we'll be jamming together on more of these songs from the Tablature Book. It's going to be awesome, and of course there's lots of other lessons available on the channel as well. So keep having fun playing the guitar, and I'll see you in more of these videos.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.